In the cloud, we have many options to restrict and control network traffic destined to our resources deployed in our private VPC IP space. This includes EC2 instances, RDS databases, and other infrastructure services in our AWS VPC. In order to use these resources, we will need to allow network traffic to reach them. Our goal should be to limit this traffic by restricting connectivity to specific IP ranges and ports. This is traditionally done with the use of firewalls. There are a number of ways that we can implement firewall functionality. AWS provides network ACLs that can be applied at a subnet level. Network ACLs allow you to add multiple firewall rules that determine whether to allow or deny a connection, the direction of traffic being outbound or inbound, source or destination CIDR block or IP, and port range and protocol, and the order and precedence of processing network ACL rules. Network ACLs are also stateless. This means that for a single connection, the inbound and outbound rules need to be configured to allow the traffic. AWS also provides security groups. Security groups are designed to restrict network traffic to specific cloud resources, such as instances, load balancers, and database servers. The security group is applied at the resource level and not at the subnet level like network ACLs. A security group rule can allow traffic from another security group. For example, if a rule allows connections on port 80 from security group ABC, then any instances that are assigned to security group ABC can't connect to the instance with this rule. Security group rules define allowed traffic. If it is not allowed, it is denied. Security group rules do not have an order of precedence, and since there are no explicit denies, all rules will be evaluated to determine if traffic is allowed. Security groups are stateful, so an inbound connection can be made without needing to explicitly define an egress rule for the return traffic of that connection. Host-based firewalls allow server admins and developers to define at the operating system level specific inbound and outbound sources and ports, similar to network ACLs and security groups. Windows Firewall and Linux IP tables are examples of this. Many endpoint protection products also offer firewall capabilities. Multiple layers of security are always recommended, so it is advisable to configure host-based firewalls on instances if possible. Commercial firewall products or appliances can also be deployed in cloud environments. These appliances offer full-fledged functionality out of the box that may be desired by an organization depending on network security requirements. These products offer a richer set of features including traffic inspection, intrusion detection and protection, web application firewalls, routing, VPN, etc. Oftentimes, the complexity and cost of deploying these solutions make it easier to use the AWS native solutions such as security groups and network ACLs. However, depending on security compliance requirements, these are powerful tools to have from a network security perspective. Next, we will take a closer look at using network ACLs and security groups.